Hey everyone, my name is Sumanta and I hold a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering from IGT Sara. I am a 2021 graduate and after my college, I decided to join AlmaBetter and secured a pre-placement offer from Flutura Decision Sciences and Analytics within 22 weeks of program commencement. Data science, yes, the field is very vast and we need to be concise our preparation. Its curriculum is very concise, which gives you proper direction to pursue your career. And in addition to that, Alma Placement Drive kind of changed the traditional way of recruitment process. To be honest, it's completely different. Hence, my previous learning and during my college, it's all a theoretical based, book based, I could say. But here it's practical, and you will get a plenty amount of visualization, which will help you to make better grasp on the concepts. And in addition to that, you can get access to talk with industry experts who have been more than 5 or 10 years of experience. You will talk directly, and you can ask anything to them. That's really helpful. Whatever you are studying, it's all about theory and based concept. But capstone projects, kind of gives you plenty of opportunity to collaborate with your team and brainstorm on the real life problems. I would say. So it's very useful. It's also my favorite thing that AlmaBetter provides. It's curriculum. Self-learning is good, but in addition to that, the concepts, the difficult concepts that are in the field of AI and ML, statistics particularly. So there needs some clarification, and for that, AlmaBetter provides mentor sessions, which is very much helpful, building, clearing the doubts and ensuring that you are in the proper direction. I'm an engineering graduate. I'm from beginning strong in technical aspects, but I'm kind of not that much comfortable with soft skills and building confidence and talking to people about this. So I was lacking somewhere from the joining day of AlmaBetter. I realized that every day I'm improving on that. My soft skill is being improvised every day by day. So it's really helpful and build my concepts. My placement drive played a vital role in securing a job as a data scientist. The mock interviews, boosted a kind of my confidence that yes, I can perform in the real interview. I think it also refined my communication skills, what to say, and what tested I should say. There is plenty of knowledge I could answer the question thousands way, but that gave me a particular clear aspects. Yes, this should be answered and this should not be answered. My advice to students who are considering to become a part of the Alma community, if you want to pursue that, you have to struggle. You have to work hard. It's not very easy. You have to be very focused on your concentration. That's my suggestion.